In 1957, Fiat launched a new super compact car on the market, following the success of the model of a larger car, the 600. The goal is to convince the still numerous scooter users to switch to the car. Everyone calls it the 500, but the correct name is FIAT Nuova 500 to distinguish it from the Fiat 500 of the previous version, better known as Topolino. Car technical specifications and performance characteristics. Engine type rear, 2 cylinders air-cooled. Total displacement 479 cc. Maximum power 10 kilowatts. 13.5 horsepower. Fuel feed 1 carburetor. Drive rear-wheel drive. Type bodywork berlinetta with openable roof. Seats 2+2. Brakes drum. Production period 1957 to 1975. Performance. Top speed 85 km/h.